If you have a will and you've named someone to be in charge of your estate, or you are someone that has been named in a will to be in charge of an estate, this is for you. Here are 3 unexpected challenges of being an estate executor that you didn't know. The first one is the unexpected financial burden. Once a person passes away, all of the assets are frozen. So that means the executor is going to be facing the financial burden of filing everything with the court. The second challenge is you may find yourself drowning in documentation unless the person that made the will has a comprehensive asset. Executors find themselves drowning in documents trying to figure out what assets they own and how they're titled. The last challenge, and probably the toughest one, is navigating the family dynamics. Executors tend to find themselves becoming the family mediators and pretty much disliked by most family members. Here's what you can do now to change that. Number 1, as you can guess, create a comprehensive asset spreadsheet, including account numbers and passwords. This will save the executor countless hours of detective work. Number 2, set aside funds to cover expenses so the executor doesn't have to pay out of pocket. Number 3, consider setting up a trust and naming your executor as a trustee of the trust so that they can avoid dealing with the court altogether. One other thing that I do for my clients is a life and legacy interview so that they can explain to their loved ones what their wishes are and hopefully avoid conflict.